everyone, Amanda Saladin from Love Life Yarn here, and today we're going to be crocheting the Parquet Stitch, which is a nice 2-row repeat, as you can see right here. I've done this in 3 different colors to make it easy for you to see the rows, but it's just 2 simple rows once you get started, and you carry the colors up the side. You can kind of see a little bit here how I've carried my colors up. So you can do it in 1 color, it looks great, or you can also do it in 3 colors like this, and it works out beautifully. So it's a nice open stitch, and it's great for a lot of different projects. So you ready? Let's get started. All right, for this stitch, you'll need to chain a multiple of 3 plus 2, and then we're going to single crochet in the 2nd chain from the hook. I like to work in these back loops here, but you work whatever single crochet into whatever part you like, and then chain 3 and double crochet in the same chain. And now we're going to skip the next 2, and we're going to single crochet, chain 3, and double crochet in the next chain. And we'll just repeat that down. So skip 2, work a single, chain 3 double in the next, and work all the way to the end. So here I am now. I have 3 chains left, and I'm going to just single crochet in the last one. Mine's a little tight here. Get my hook in. Okay, single crochet. Now changing colors, you want to wait till there's 2 loops on your hook. So I'm going to grab my next color and pull it through. So obviously if you're not changing colors, you don't have to worry about this. There's our first row. So for row 2, you're going to chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. And pull mine a little tight here since I changed colors. And now we're going to double crochet in that single we made at the end. And now we're ready to work a single crochet, chain 3, and double into our chain space. And we're just going to repeat that for each chain space. So single, chain 3, and double, and work all the way down to that last chain 3 space, and I'll show you how to finish the chain 3. Here's our last chain 3 space. So we're going to single crochet just like before, and we're only going to chain 2 this time. So chain 2, okay, only 2 there, and then double crochet into our single crochet that started the very first. So of course I'm going to change colors here. And we have 2 rows. We're ready for row 3. Row 3, we're just going to chain 1, single crochet into our double, chain 3, oh, looks like I did not finish my chain there, so sorry about that. Double crochet. And then again, we're going to do the single, chain 3, and double into each one of these chain 3 spaces all the way down. When you get to this last section here, you can see that we made a double crochet and then we had a turning chain. So we're actually going to work into the top of the turning chain. I'll give you a trick in just a minute on how to work this a little bit easier. Okay, so you're just going to single crochet here, and I'm changing colors, so I'm going to find my very first color here, and they do tend to get a little twisted up, so I'm going to switch colors because I'm carrying it up the side. So the thing about working 3s, you can carry it up, just make sure it's not too tight. So just repeat rows 2 and 3 back and forth, and that's going to be the stitch pattern. Now let me show you a way to help with this chain 3. You lift up, pull this loop up to about twice the height of your hook shaft, loop it around, and then insert into that first stitch and work like a regular double crochet. And then I have to work another double crochet because I'm on row 2. And you can see this is a little loose. It won't be quite that loose if you do it normally. And you can when you come back across for the next row, you get to work in that space instead of a chain. And then you just keep working the pattern like normal. And it just makes it a lot easier. That's how I do the end, so that I can work into this loop. Although, like I said, this one looks loose because I pulled it kind of loose when I started, but you can see here, like, not pull too tight when you carry the color if you're changing, and it just makes it a lot easier. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial for this amazing lacy stitch. Be sure to visit lovelifeyarn.com for more than 300 free patterns.